Prince. Prince coming. Come on, guys, we gotta go plant a garden. Let's go plant a garden. So welcome to the channel, everybody. Today we're gonna get out here and plant our garden this year. And we got the two little helpers coming along. So this is the little dryer drum here that I was able to get my hands on last year. I said, don't throw that dryer drum away. And we filled it with topsoil last fall. And I didn't really have a use for it until now. I couldn't, had a hard time figuring out what we were going to put in here. So we'll at least get this soil a little loose here, and we'll just level it out and we'll place our onions in here. So let's just dump them all in the center, see what we got. Again, I didn't buy a lot. I didn't go overboard because space is a little limited, but nonetheless, let's get these onions in the ground. You want to help, Prince? You're not allowed in this bed no more. Not till next winter. Oh, the boss has arrived. She got a little suspicious. Nice just to come out. Oh, I don't have to go to the store because I have onions in my actual garden. I think that's probably the perfect size for our needs. So yeah, my thoughts are we'll put, a raised bed in here. Definitely could use the space. We'll see how this progresses. I gotta buy lumber and stuff like that. Probably some more soil. So here is the new raised bed. Been talking about for a long time. Recently built it and it's ready to go. So we're going to put some potatoes in here. Now you want to dig down deep, and then right where it's sprouting, have that face upwards. So I got these parsnips, one of my favorites, and then these kaleidoscope carrots. Parsnips are easier to plant, they're bigger. And poke them down. So suddenly I have a very weird brainstorm, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Our beans are going to grow up this, and they're just little areas for them to branch out into. Yeah, it's funky and unique. 6 inches deep. So I went heavy on the beans here. push them down 6 inches in. Good news is 2 of my tomato plants actually survived. Peppers are going in here, and we'll put the tomatoes in here. I did buy some tomato plants here. Break that up just a little bit. Sprinkle that around. Alright, so we're going to put our herbs here. This is lemon thyme. This is regular thyme. And this is lemon verbena. So we put basil in here and also a few broccoli plants. These are the snow peas. They're flowering. Granted, they're not supposed to be up here. And there's some pods somewhere right there. We're not going to have a garden left after you get done with that. What are you eating rosemary for? I don't think you should be eating rosemary, Mr. Prince. So I just Googled it. He can have rosemary. I don't want him to have all of it. Mr. Prince, you're going to destroy my plant here. Prince. Hey. Give the new season a chance, will ya? It smells pretty good, doesn't it? That's your cologne, Prince. That's your cologne. Prince. Hey. Alright, let's go do something else here. Where you completely destroy it. Let's go find a squirrel or a chipmunk or something. Come on, buddy. Well, we'll have to put this somewhere else for you. Come on, Prince, get out of there. Here. Alright, this is gonna be a problem. Here. Here, bud. Come on, Prince. Here. Prince. Here. I have to keep it out of the raised bed. He's just loving it for some reason. Well, he managed not to kill any of the pepper plants. Where are we off to now? Oh, now we're gonna roll in the mud. You finally smell good, now you're gonna roll around in the mud. Here's his sister cupcake. Thanks everybody for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you like this. Thank you so much. I hope to catch you in the next video.